Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Crypto Gym, and in this video I'm going to share you the detail about our new platform. So guys, before starting the video, I'm gonna tell you this is not a financial video. I am not a financial advisor. This is a video just for the research purpose. If you guys is interested in this platform, and so just research about this platform and then do anything. So if you guys new on my YouTube channel, guys, first of all you need to subscribe it and then click the bell icon, so when I upload my next new video you guys get the notification. So in this video I'm going to show you guys, here is the basically our platform Higgsfield.ai. Link will be provided in description. So I'm gonna show you a very powerful and a trading AI platform called Higgsfield. This platform allow everyone to create their own AI influencer and generate realistic AI videos, and also earn money by posting on YouTube and also on Instagram and Facebook and many platforms. So guys, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a big audience, and you don't need advanced editing skills. So if you are interested in AI content creations or any earning online in 2026, make sure to watch this video till end. So what is Higgsfield and why it matters? So first of all of the actually is Higgsfield, a Gen AI platform built especially for the creators. Its main goal is to make content creations easier, more creative, and more profitable. So with Higgsfield, you can create influencers, designs, original digital characters, and turn them into the videos. So you can also turn your pictures into the video. This platform also allow you to create like this kind of AI videos. So after all, let's talk about what are AI influencer and how it works, and about it. So now let's talk about AI influencer. AI influencer are digital character created using AI. They look realistic, more naturally, and can act like a real influencer. So many people missed opportunity like Bitcoin, NFT, early YouTube AI influencer are now becoming the next big trends. Brand creators and platform are starting to adopt AI influencers because they are unique, consistent, scalable, and Higgsfield make this process very simple, even for the beginners. So AI influencer and about Higgsfield, every single detail you guys get in this video. So Higgsfield, please remember, Higgsfield works only on the website. There is no mobile app, and this AI influencer studio can you can create your AI influencer from scratch or start with the ready-made characters. So you can customize face shape, skin tone, body shape, and style identity. There are 90 plus creative parameters, which are means you can create a completely original character. You can also mix presents, merge characters, create or realistic and realize influencer after creating the character. Next step in motion. So Higgsfield has a powerful engine that brings your AI influencers to your real life. So you can generate high quality HD videos up to the 30-second, guys, and which are perfect for the YouTube Shorts. So Instagram Reels, social media content, everything is done inside on platform. So already I have tell you this is not a financial video, and I am not a financial advisor. This video is just for the research purpose, and let's move to the project, guys. The main thing now, you can log and correct your YouTube, Instagram account. Step 2, create AI influencer video using AI influencer studio. Step 3, you upload that video on YouTube or Instagram. Step 4, you paste the video link inside the Higgsfield Earn dashboard. That's it. So let's go, guys. First of all, you need to click this free AI influencer studio motion control. So click on it, and then I'm gonna tell you how you can create your character by using the character and create your video. So first of all, step 1, guys, you can see here is the already generated character, and you guys can, if you want to create your own from your character. So select any of character from this. So guys, I'm gonna select this character and try it for free and then explore more. So guys, after this you can see I'm gonna merge my this character into these dancing videos. Any videos you can select from these all these videos. So I'm gonna select this video, guys, and then want to generate it free. So click on generate option, and then there is like a few minutes needed to generate your video. So guys, I'm gonna wait for generated this video. Here is our character, guys. You can see. So here is our character. If you want to check it, here is our video, guys. So you can see I have created this. So you can create like this. One thing I forget to tell you, guys, you can create your own character by choosing hairs and everything. So let me gonna tell you, guys, this side of characters already created, but if you want to create your own characters, like if you need to select a human, ant, bee, octopus, crocodile, and any character if you want to select. So for example, if you want to select a human, then if you scroll, then you can see female, male, and many options. So you can select it female, and then you can select your looks by African, Asians, European, Indian, Middle Eastern, and mixed. So you can select your looks wise, select Asian, then you can select the eye skin color, white, and there is many colors, so you can select it, and then after this, guys, you can select eye color, here is lots of eye color, and select these one character from this eyes color, and then you can scroll skin conditions, select one, and then you can create your own character by choosing a lots of these things to create your own character. So this is what you can create your own character and make it to image, and then turn into the videos, and then you can make it to from this tool to make this image to a video. So here is the tool I have shared detail, and then if you create your video, and then you can post this video in this website, and then you can make your money. So here is also option, this option is also available, AI Influencer Studio, Higgsfields Earn. Click on it, and then, guys, you can see Higgsfields Earn, Joint Fields Earn to get paid for your content. Create AI videos, post on them on social media, and earn reward based on your views and platform. So start your campaign, guys. So you can start it, and then you can see Higgsfields Earn, create AI generated videos and image. Higgsfields post them to your social channel and get paid. Join thousands of creators and already earning through this program. So right now there is no campaign. So in future you guys can get this campaign. So you can see the earn money with your AI influencer. 3 simple steps to make your money. First of all, you need to log in, create your social media account, and verify ownership, and then no waiting for the manual approval. I already tell you how to log in and how to create your account. So then post this video, and then get your money by how many views you have on the video. So start it, and then you can select and post the video and get your money by how much views you have in your video. So boost your earning by 130% with Higgsfields Earn. The longer your videos stay relevant, the more you earn. Our smart tracking system monitor your content 24/7, automatically adding airing to your balance as you hit new views milestone. So here is many detail, like this 7 join the Higgsfield playing campaign right now, and you can see meet the earners. Here is the earner. You can meet it and create your influencers. So you can see community over 15 million users. Join a globally creative network where people generate AI image, share ideas, and inspire each other every day. So guys, here is our review about this amazing Higgsfield AI platform, so you can create your own character by using this tool and then post this video and get your money. So I hope guys you like this video.